It's Krispy King. Yeah, we ordered from Krispy King, fellas. Yeah, you about to go and find out what it means. Yeah, that we are doing today. So embrace yourself. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What I wanna tell you about Krispy King is that they give you guys like a double deal. You feel what I'm saying? You buy one, you get one free. Yeah. So that's our burger. Yeah. That's another burger right there. Let's just keep it on the side loop. And we have these burgers. Which I got you guys. Yeah. A wrap right there. Let's see. It's a wrap. Ooh. Ooh. Right there. Yeah. Right. Last but not least, we have some pieces of chicken. Look, they're pieces of chicken. Yeah. All of them, they're gonna be, yeah. Okay. We have some chips. Oh. That's wow. Yes. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. Wow. Wow. Mm. I like it. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh guys. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Ah. Mm. Ah. Mm. Oh, it's great. It's great. Mm. It's great. Mm. Ah. Oh man. Okay, that was it. Yeah. That was it. That was it. That was it. Yeah, I couldn't take it down no more. Yeah, no more. Couldn't take it down no more. Okay, that's the conclusion of that video. Like, much love and much appreciated. If you enjoyed it all, please don't fail to comment down below if you enjoyed it. If you do want more of this, yeah, we can always appeal to you and deliver. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, but the meal was delicious. I'm not gonna lie. It was delicious. It was slapping because I chose them accordingly. Yeah, I chose them accordingly. As you can see, I have never actually handpicked something like this. It's actually like my face to pick something like this. Yeah, but for those who have actually enjoyed it and watched it till the end, much love, much appreciation, guys. And for those who support me every day and motivating me every day, thank you so much, guys. Catch you on the next episode here.